So once you're done and you're fine, you're okay with your channel art or channel banner, then you go ahead and tap on the down arrow. That is how you download, and then it simply downloads, and then just as simple as that. It's done downloading. Then I'll go to my gallery, under Canva. There it is. So that is how it looks. Then you just go ahead and upload it to your channel and you're done. So guys, welcome and let's start working. So the channel the application that I was talking about is called Canva. Canva is my special weapon, as we all know. This is where I do everything. This is where I do all my graphic design. So the first thing that we're gonna tap in the search bar for YouTube channel ad. We're gonna pick any of these. You can pick the first one, doesn't matter, because I'm gonna delete everything and start all over. I like working on a clean page, so I'm going to simply delete everything and then we have a clean page. Tap on the bin, everything is gone. Just like that. So we have a brand new clean channel art, and then now we want to go to Google. I'm gonna type in Google. In Google we're gonna look for YouTube channel art template. Sorry. So we're gonna look for something like this. We just need a template with the right dimensions of how our channel art must look. So I'm going to tap on that and hold, then I'll choose download image. It says download is complete. So we go back to Canva and then we tap on the plus sign and then we go to upload. So we're gonna upload media, and then there we have a template that we just downloaded. So you're gonna simply upload it. There it loads. So that is how you simply upload it. So we tap on that thing, and then because this first template that we had is the right dimension, so we're simply gonna pull this in so that it fits. You're gonna pull it in so that everything fits. Do this right size. So this is the template that we just downloaded, and we just made sure that we fit everything. So this area that you can see here, that is written text and logo saved area, this is the area where that will show on smaller devices like your phone, your tablet, right? And then no, actually your phone. And then this one here, the light grayish, not as dark as the first one, is the tablet length, and the last ones on the sides, this is the desktop version. So everything in here will be shown on your desktop and on your mobile as well as on your tablet. So what is important here is to make sure that if you're using your phone, we want to make sure that whatever details that we want to add to this channel art, we include them in the safe area, which is the dark area. So this could be a picture if you want to add a picture, whatever text that you want to add to your banner or your channel art. So right, let's get into it. So the first thing that we want to do here is just to make sure that we try to make this a bit transparent so that we can see what we're doing. We are working with this template as our guide. So we go on transparent, let it be like that, at least so that whatever we are adding, we know if we are still in the safe area or not. So right, so the first thing that we could add is a picture. We go to photos. If you want to add a photo of yourself, of anybody, say maybe this is a beauty channel art and this is your photo, you just go ahead and pick that picture. You see how big it is. You just try to make sure that it will fit in the safe area. Remember, we are working with the safe area. And then maybe your channel art, you want to add a text. It could be, we can say beauty guru. Okay. So we can move this also still in the safe area. Do you see that? And then we also want to add maybe information about how often do you upload. So we say you upload. You upload every Wednesday. So you make sure that everything is still in the safe area. Is in the safe area. So whatever you want to add, okay, let me say you want to add another photo or another picture, maybe of your makeup stuff. And this you don't mind, maybe it can show, you want it to be seen on tablet or as well as on your desktop. You can do something like that. You could do something like that if you want something extra for your tablet and your desktop as well. Actually, we can just make it bigger so it fits for the desktop as well as for the tablet. But on your phone, it's simply going to show just the text and the other picture on my left. So that is how it will look. So now that we know everything is in our safe area, let's go back again and continue with the transparency, and that's how it will look. So what you could do here, if you don't want it to be white, you just step in there on the template and change this to your brand color. So if your brand color is green, is yellow, if it's yellow, that's how it will look like. If whatever color of your choice, your brand color. So you just do that. You can choose any color of your choice. So that is basically how you do it. If you're okay with that, what else can we try? So once you're done and you're fine, you're okay with your channel art or channel banner, then you go ahead and tap on the down arrow. That is how you download. And then it simply downloads, and then just as simple as that. It's done downloading. Then I'll go to my gallery. under Canva. There it is. So that is how it looks. Then you just go ahead and upload it to your channel and you're done.